model, 2020 Ford Transit Connect 220 base Tdci Euro 6 ULEZ spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 101291 MOT, 17 March 2024 engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCi 100 PSS 6IA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, none runner. Apparently the cambelt snapped and was going to get repaired, but the customer changed their mind. Some ancillaries have been removed. Everything is there in the back of the van. Nothing is missing. It's a tidy professional job. Grin condition summary. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI.